Chop chop. Hey Credos! Today we had meal prep day at my house with my daughter, and we tried out a new gadget. My husband, who is forever the high-tech guy, ordered these titanium cutting boards. He got a set of 3. The small one is 9 by 12, the medium is 10 by 14, and the large is 12 by 18. Pretty substantial. We use them today for our meal prep, so first let me tell you the things I like about them, and then I'll tell you the thing I don't like about them. First, they are smooth and non-porous. So obviously that's good for cleanliness. They are antimicrobial. The edges are smooth, no issues with nicking or cutting. They are heavy. It's food grade titanium on both sides. The heaviness actually helps them stay in place while you're cutting. I didn't have any issue on our granite with any sliding or slipping. Because they're non-porous, they're very easy to clean. They're also dishwasher safe, but I just scrubbed them with hot soapy water and everything came off easily, which isn't the same with wood or plastic. They have a design that has a handle and a notch, so if you wanted to, you could hang them up on a hook to keep them off your counter. The packaging says they're knife friendly, meaning they won't dull or scratch your knives. I've only used them once, so I can't speak to that, but that's the claim. Now for the 2 things I don't care for. Both the large board and the small board are the ones we use today. And I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but the description says it's stain resistant, but you can see it's not really a nice shiny patina. It gets fingerprints and smudges, and it's not like a shiny piece of stainless steel. Just know that. The description does say over time it will get a patina that is beautiful, so we'll see if that's true. But here's the one that we did not use yet, and again, I'm not sure with that glare from the window if you can see. It has some markings and fingerprints show, and so it's not like a beautiful decorative item, but it's functional. The other thing I don't like is actually part of the feature set, so I'm not sure a way to get away from it. But the fact that it's non-porous means there's no give in the material. So when you're cutting something, it's like cutting on a metal surface. Clap, clap, clap. My daughter and I joked that it was like we're doing an autopsy on the food on a sterile metal table. So the feel of these cutting boards is different when you're chopping. Other than those 2 things, they worked great, and I do think they'll be more sanitary. So that's a good thing. If you're looking for some high-tech, non-porous cutting boards, this set may be just what you're looking for. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo, and join us in the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but always open to new technology.